Alright, YouTubers, I am starting on the construction of the tunnel portal, and since I'm running long length modern cars, I had to do my double main line spaced at 2.5 inches. Especially I kept it at 2.5 around the curves in the main line. And what that does is, even with a 30-inch minimum inside curve and a 32.5 outside curve, using regular tunnel portals that are available at your hobby shop, here's a problem I ran into. Clearance between the outside rail and the inside rail in the tunnel portal, and this is about as wide as you can get. So I had to fabricate my own, and this is what I did. First thing I did was to create a paper template. Just drew out the top radius with a compass, and it's a simple portal. However, as you can see, it's much the clearances are a lot greater. Then I taped this onto a piece of poplar wood. Once it was taped down, went ahead with my bandsaw and cut it out. This is what I ended up with. Now at the tunnel portal entrance, as you can see, I had to glue a 1x4 underneath to create some support, as the new tunnel portal overhangs over the sub-road bed. And then all I need to do is fill in this area here with another piece of sub-road bed and glue on a backing for the portal. I still have to do some finished work on the portal. I want to put in some concrete lines and a fascia along the top. Okay, so I went ahead and cut some molding that I found at Lowe's for door trim, and I'm working on the portal here. Glued a piece already. This piece will later glue here. And that one there. And I just cut these pieces with a simple handsaw and a miter box to give it a little more character to this tunnel portal. And if you look, these are the other ones that I'll be using. If you look, it's almost the same. Okay, so here's the finished portal. What I've been doing is using a wood filler to fill in any little gaps that I may have on the corners and around the bottom. Once that dries, I'll give it a sanding. I'll give it another coat, and then after the final sanding, I'll prime it. And then we go to weathering. Okay, I'm going to be trying to model, this tunnel portal that is made by Chooch Enterprises. I have two of these. These are going to go here. One here, and the other further back, approximately there. The reason I like this shape is it's pretty high, and there's enough clearance to clear, like I said before, any of the modern high-level vehicles or cars, like high box cars, or the auto carriers, or the automax, which are even higher, and even the double stack containers. And in analyzing this tunnel portal, I noticed that there was some, looks like some lines where they might have used boards to create the form, then pour the concrete. And measuring the lines, they appeared to be approximately 1/8 of an inch separation between them. So I tried to recreate the same in my home built portal that I will be using on the double main right here. It should be in that position right there. It's already primed, but before I primed it, I measured out the 1/8 inch lines representing board planks, and went ahead and used a scriber and placed all these lines on the portal. It looks pretty good. Once these two are properly painted, they should match and almost look the same.